We're sorry. You have reached a
It
number
is
that has been
estimated that the cost of missing just one customer call is approximately $1,550. Only 4% of customers will complain when an issue arises, so often the business remains unaware of the issue. Spearline tests international toll and toll-free numbers globally. We test the infrastructure capabilities through connectivity, audio quality, latency, and much more. What are the things that can go wrong on a call? A call doesn't connect. If a caller cannot connect to your toll or toll-free number, or the number is repeatedly busy for an unknown reason, you may have no visibility to that at all. Encountering of audio quality issues. If a customer is connected, but the audio channel is so poor they struggle to have a conversation. Poor audio quality can be very frustrating and will lead to a poor customer experience. DTMF issues. If you are counting on touch-tone signals to direct your caller to the right agent, but the call is not passing touch-tone digits. Or if you are routing callers based on caller ID lookup to a database and caller ID is not presented, your process is not going to work for you. Excessive post-dial delay. It takes too long to connect the call. What is the impact to the business if a customer cannot connect? The customer will have a negative first impression. There could be a decline in your brand's reputation. You could lose customers. And there will be reduced revenues and demotivated staff. The Spearline platform gives you the control to measure and optimize your customer experience. With servers in over 70 countries, Spearline will replicate your customer's experience by placing in-country calls to your customer support and sales teams. Let's take a tour of the Spearline platform. The Spearline Telecommunications Quality Assurance Platform is a one-stop shop for everything related to your number testing. You will be able to generate test calls on demand and troubleshoot issues in real time, as well as set up and configure automated testing for your numbers. You can easily navigate between the sections from the left-hand sidebar. You will have various options in this menu, including the Resources tab, where you can check the points of coverage Spearline has around the world, what carriers Spearline uses, and you can access the Spearline Knowledge Hub, which has user guides, tutorial videos, and other help documents. The Admin section allows you to control the users on the platform. From the Voice Assure Real-Time tab, you are able to generate test calls on demand. For example, if you have a report of a Belgium toll-free number failing, and you want to identify exactly what the user experience is, you just simply use the softphone, select the country that you wish to test in this case Belgium. You have to define the number type, in this case we will use toll-free, then simply type in the number, press the green button, and that will generate the call from our fixed line server into your Belgium or any other country's toll-free or UIFN number. Once the call is made, you will be able to see the call detail records, also known as CDRs, appearing in front of you. You will be able to see the number that was dialed, the timestamp, start and end times, the CLI, and whether there was a connection or if it was an unsuccessful busy. You can also listen back to the recording, redial the number, and choose scheduled automation to proactively test the number going forward. You can also export all this data into a CSV report. The Spearline softphone works with two-way audio. With this, you can communicate with the person on the other side. You can investigate different issues like disconnection, one-way audio, and the DTMF functionality. The Voice Assure tab contains everything related to automated testing. After clicking on this section, the navigation bar will expand to give you more options. This is the Numbers section. Here you can add your numbers manually. You can load a CSV file if you have multiple numbers. You can configure the time frames that you want the numbers to be tested within. And you can configure the frequency at which numbers are tested. The Campaign section will allow you to schedule the testing of bulk numbers at the same time. Then, on the dashboard section, you can view the test results. When the tests are completed, the dashboard section will give you a visual overview of what was happening within your numbers. There are 3 standard dashboards you can start with. The default dashboard gives a broad overview of the tests with statistics, post-dial delay information, audio quality history, and more. The failed test dashboard will give an overview of all your failed tests, and you choose how automated failure notifications are integrated into your escalation processes. The Analytics dashboard contains the data of every single test record that was made by Spearline to your numbers. And using the filters here, you can easily modify the view and customize your own report to include the data you want to review. Then you can save that view for later, giving you more control over the data that you need. Once you save it, it will appear with the other dashboards and it will be easily accessible from the drop-down menu. Everything that is saved on the dashboard section is directly linked to the reporting section. From here, you can schedule the report to be sent out to specific email addresses, making reporting even easier. With the Spearline platform, we put the control of testing your services in your hands. Contact us today and talk with one of our experts to learn about the many more features the Spearline platform can offer you and your business.